Element Designs started in 2003 in Charlotte, North Carolina. Our initial goal was to sell, not to manufacture. But we quickly realized that we couldn't control the quality or the lead times for products we didn't produce.
In the very beginning, we had no intention at all to actually produce anything. We were just going to be a sales and marketing company selling these awesome products. We made the tough decision we'd have to take it over and do it ourselves.
And it wasn't an easy journey, but we figured it out.
The first few years were definitely a struggle, but we believed in each other, and most importantly, we believed in our team.
Aluminum frame cabinet doors were everywhere in Europe, so naturally we thought it would be only a matter of time until this trend would take hold here in the US. It took much longer for this trend to really materialize and our products to be accepted by the market.
But as a custom manufacturer, we were and still are driven to innovate and develop new products.
In hindsight, this actually turned to be a blessing because it gave us time to sharpen our pencil, to become a real expert in our field, and most importantly, to build an excellent team that was up for the challenge.
Decoloux solid acrylic products launched as both a sustainable and natural addition to our aluminum frame doors. Initially, we sourced our back-painted glass from a supplier whose quality didn't meet our standards of excellence, so we learned to produce it ourselves. Our back-painted glass products are still among our most popular. When developing our specialty coating process, we collaborated with our customers to make over 10 metallic and matte finishes, which we often see driving design trends. It was important to us to create a process using environmentally friendly paint to uphold our value that we are responsible for making sustainable products. What started as cabinet doors has turned into several different product lines. Our specialty has always been in custom solutions, and we intend to keep it that way. We love meeting the challenges of innovation and creating products that make interior spaces beautiful, one room at a time.
And now we've got over 70 employees covering over 60,000 square feet of manufacturing facility. I think we're doing a pretty good job.